minute. I wanted to vlog today about just like a normal work day in the life, but since today's Wednesday, literally all I have to do today is work on like behind the scenes content, editing, things like that, super boring stuff. But it's hard for me to be productive when my house is a mess, so I figured I would kind of do like two stones, one bird, two stones, however that saying goes, and clean my house before I sit down and get some work done. So that is what I'm sharing with you guys. I also wanted to just give you like kind of a house tour and catch you up on what I've been doing here. I have been in this house for a year now. Happy anniversary to me in the house. And I have done a lot of renovation projects in here, but there are still a few that I need to do and I want to take you guys along with me. So I'm going to catch you guys up, let you know what I've been doing and what the plan is going forward. So I hope you enjoy. Okay, so we're starting out in the kitchen. The kitchen is one of the few places in the house I have not renovated at all. Part of the reason is because I feel like it's already cute enough, but I do want to paint these cabinets. I want to get the walls white like the rest of the house and maybe change out like some hardware. I think if I had a bigger budget, I would replace all of the appliances to be stainless steel to match the sink, but that's not a project right now. Okay, so now we're in my home office. This is supposed to be a dining room, but for me, working from home and being a content creator, I needed it to be an office space. This house is only like 800 square feet, so I use as much room as I possibly can. Before we talk about anything else in this living room, we have to address the floors. Obviously, this is a DIY project gone way wrong. We will be redoing these at some point in the future, hopefully soon, but honestly, it works, it is what it is, and yeah. In a good week, when I am like peak on being productive, I do the floors like every other day, sometimes every third day. However, I had a very busy weekend and this is like day 4 or 5 that I haven't swept my floor, so hence the huge pile of dog hair. But this is not uncommon. Benny sheds like no other. Okay, you guys, so that is my entire house. Well, most of it. I am super happy that I got to share with you guys. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm looking forward to updating you guys on future projects and taking you guys along with me on that. I'm really excited. So please don't forget to subscribe. And if you're not already following me on Instagram and TikTok, please go do it. I post there more regularly and on like a daily basis. So I hope you guys enjoy. And with all that being said, I will see